As Ohio's Utica Shale is developed, one Eastern Ohio company is taking advantage of the environmental and financial paybacks provided through domestically extracted natural gas. Smith Dairy Products, a family-owned business in Orrville, Ohio, began researching the benefits of compressed natural gas as an alternative fuel 2 years ago.
Then they started to look at how volatile the diesel market really is and how it's something that they would like to have more control over.
On August 29, 2012, Smith Dairy proudly opened their privately funded CNG station. The canopied station, constructed by Vocational Energy, is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The station will be open to the public and will play a critical role in helping Smith Dairy reach their long-term goal of becoming diesel independent.
Lots of expansion plans. We have the 6 CNG dedicated Freightliners that have been running and on the road for over a month now. The goal is to be diesel independent by the year 2030.
At the heart of the station are 2 Ariel JGQ 2-throw 4-stage reciprocating compressors. Packaged by ANGI Energy Systems, the Ohio-manufactured Ariel compressors are responsible for compressing the natural gas, which is brought in through a Dominion gas pipeline. After being compressed upwards of 4,500 psi, the gas is transferred to the fuel tanks on the dedicated CNG vehicle.
It was great to be part of the Smith Dairy project. Their leadership with transportation and switching over from diesel-fueled vehicles to CNG is a great step for Smith Dairy, for the state of Ohio, and for the transportation industry as they take that lead. Ariel brings an incredible history of reliable compression to that marketplace with 40,000 compressors and tens of thousands of hours of operation.
In addition to manufacturing this vital equipment for Smith Dairy, Ariel provided industry knowledge and engineering support based on over 40 years of natural gas compression expertise.
We've had a great experience working with Ariel. They've been supportive of every step along the way, everything from our educational forums where they've come and they've been panels on the forums to answer questions about CNG, how to get into the game, questions about the compressors. Then they've just also been really helpful as we've had questions ourselves about putting in a station, kind of the how-to. So they've been fantastic to work with.
Through the completion of its CNG station, Smith Dairy hopes to introduce and inspire other companies who may be interested in making the switch from diesel.
The one thing that we've noticed is that a lot of people think CNG is a good idea, but everyone is kind of like, oh, you do it first, and then I'll come alongside of you. And so Smith Dairy has kind of taken a lot of those questions and worries off the table by putting in a CNG station. They've committed to not just running CNG, but offering it to the public.
For more information regarding CNG and Ariel compressors, visit www.arielcorp.com/CNG